Hi guys, I'm back again, and tonight I am at the Eagle. It's a very nice restaurant here in the Highlands in Louisville. First time here. Gonna try some new foods. They are famous for their fried chicken. So we're gonna do some fried chicken and get a variety of sides just to see what it's like. I'm going to show you all the environment, how chill it is, how cool it is. So let's get to it. So here we have the menu. So you got some appetizers, your salads and soups, their famous fried chicken, you got the sandwiches, the sides, and then the rest, front and back, is alcohol. So if you like to drink, this is probably your place. So of course we're gonna do some chicken, and then we're gonna we decided to do the collards, the spoon bread, and our both mac and cheese, because we are greedy with it, because we are mac and cheese lovers. So that's the menu. I'll show you all some, in case you like to drink, some of the options they have. They got a lot of alcohol, which is good. So we got the hush puppies here. Oh yeah. Wow. That's amazing. That is the best hush puppy I've probably ever had. Yeah, right. What did they say was in it? Corn, green pepper, jalapenos. Oh, it's amazing. So as you can see, the hush puppies were demolished. So we're gonna say that's an A+ for the hush puppies. Now we are waiting for the mac and cheese, the chicken, and everything else we ordered. The food is here. So for a fourth chicken, you get 3 pieces. We got dark meat. Look at the mac and cheese. Okay, we have been waiting for this mac and cheese. That is the cornbread. I can't remember the name, but that's the cornbread or spoon bread. You got cheesy grits. That's the grits, which looks like mashed potatoes. It looks so bomb. There's his collards, and then there's his chicken. Like, look at all this food. Okay, mukbang for real. I have barely made a dent in my food, and I'm getting full. Like, it's just insane. Like, he's enjoying it, I am enjoying it, like we are, but as you can see, full. We have barely made a dent, but the food is amazing. Okay, I'm done, I'm canceled, I'm out. This is why I don't mukbang, because as you can see, a lot of food was left out, but that is okay. It is delicious. I think it is safe to say that this dish, the cornbread, was the winner. Like, that's probably our favorite because it got smashed the most. The macaroni's great. Even the collard greens are great, and I don't like collard greens, but this is delicious. It is very much Southern style cooking all the way. My least favorite was probably the grits, but that's just because, you know, I'm not a fan of grits. But they do have amazing flavor. They are very flavorful. I'm just personally not a fan of grits, so you may like them. The homemade ice cream and pie kitchen. Clearly not going to have to vlog this because everyone loves desserts. So, but I can show you what they have.